Hello and welcome. Today we are going to make some Valentine's Day cupcakes. These are super easy. All you need is some buttercream icing and some candy melts to melt and form into whatever cute little hearts or phrases you like. I put love on some of them and then I did some different types of hearts. Keep watching and I will show you how. Okay, so I'm using these Sweet Tooth candy melts. I am going to pop these in a decorating bag and melt them in the microwave. I put them in a decorating bag and then tie it off with a rubber band at the top. Then I do 30-second intervals and I put my microwave on half power for those 30-second intervals. Each time the 30 seconds is up, I just take it out and kind of just go like this with the bag until it is nice and liquefied. You don't want to over melt them, so just make sure you do those 30-second intervals, and also half power works best. And then I'm going to get a piece of wax paper and I'm just gonna put it on a cookie sheet. This just makes it easier to move them to the fridge and back out of the fridge when you are making little chocolate toppers for your cupcake. Really a trick with your candy melts is really just practice and just kind of practicing on your wax paper and making sure that you don't squeeze out too much chocolate because it will kind of smooth out a little. If you have any air bubbles, you can just gently tap the baking sheet, or you can get like toothpick or something with a sharp end and just gently like tap out any bubbles. Okay, so I have my melted chocolate. I'm just gonna cut a tiny hole in there, and then I'm just going to do some hearts and try and write love or just different things with the candy. Okay, to add some dimension and so that not everything is just pink, I also did some milk chocolate. Also, milk chocolate's delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna use this rose pink Wilton food coloring, and I just made some vanilla buttercream. And I'm gonna just pop some of this in there to make some pink buttercream icing. I'm going to be using my Wilton 1M tip in a decorating bag. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze and do a nice big swirl on top of these. And then I'm going to sprinkle some sprinkles on right away. And then I will put my chocolate pieces on top. Okay, so these have been in the fridge, and after they've been in the fridge, they kind of just peel right off the wax paper. So you can just basically peel them off like this. These ones are a little bit more finicky, so you gotta be a little careful with the ones that are like handwriting. They will break a lot easier. And then you can basically just, I'm gonna press this one in like that so that it doesn't break. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this quick little Valentine's Day cupcake tutorial, and I hope that you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.